So the intestinal tract, as we described in earlier modules, is a super long tube, and it's got lots of little folds on the inside of it. The surface area of that tube is the size of a tennis court. So it's extremely efficient at absorbing things. It functions as a filter. So when you're consuming food and you're drinking water, your body is kind of picking and choosing what it wants. How much water does it want? How much salt does it want? How much of the protein, fat, carbs does it want? The microbiome, the bacteria that live within the intestinal tract, are also sifting through the contents of the intestinal tract. In fact, they get first dibs. Those guys get the first crack at it. So you want to make sure that the intestinal tract bacteria is on your side. Well, that's just a taste of what we're talking about in this week's Gut Check subscription. If you're thinking, Doctor, tell me more, just type in the comments Gut Check, and we'll send you information on how to subscribe to our proprietary information that you can find only in our Gut Check subscription. It comes with a weekly newsletter and exclusive videos from me for our subscribers. Join Gut Check today so you can learn a little bit more about the things that make you healthy.